Web builder. Website builders are tools that allows the construction of website without manual code editing. They fall into two categories: online property tools provided by web hosting companies, typically intended for users to build their private site, and software which runs on the computer creating pages offline and which can then publish these pages on any host. Are you thinking how to make website? Don't worry. Make Any Site is the best website builders we have in the industry. These online website builders offer you with unique, dynamic, scalable website in no time. Site is the most popular and reputed online website makers in the industry. You can also make site with shared preference, share perfections, and do not need any developer for creating any type of website. This website is the one and only website builder that offers you with free website. Yes, there is no hidden charges or extra payment. On these website builders, you only have to pay for the website hosting service and also get free domain. Now anyone can make a site on this online website creator and can own it. As the website builders are SEO friendly and have lots of other features in it. Offline versus online. Online website builder typically require customers to sign up with the web hosting company. Some company provides examples of any functional website made with their website builders. The range of service varies anywhere between creating basic personal web pages or social network content to making complete business and e-commerce website, either template based or on the more flexible platform, totally design free. The main advantage of the online website builder is that it is quick and easy to use and often does not require prior experience. Often a website can be built and be up and running live on the internet quickly. Technical support is usually provided, as are how-to video and help files. This makes online website builder ideal for the beginner. Sites are generally created using either HTML or About Flash. HTML is a standard format supported by the follower. Flash has a growing popularity mainly since it has overcome some limitations such as not being seen by any web crawlers such as Google and Yahoo, and thus being indexed. Flash is more resource incentives than HTML. HTML tools are divided into those that allows editing to the source code and those that have only a wide swing mode. Offline web builders caters to professional web designer who need to create pages for more than one client or web host. Modern offline web builders are usually both swing and allows direct editing of the source code and cascading style sheet styling. They generally requires at least a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. However, though they are more flexible than online builders, they are often expensive. However, some open source website builders may be downloaded free of charge. 1 to 3. Using a website builder is as easy as using a word processor. The time when a 5-page site are monopoly of the web designer are history. Now everybody can make a simple site with minor effort and in no time at all. All this is possible thanks to software web builders. However, it is not true to say that web builders are only great. They do have drawback, and before jumping on the web design wagon, it is a good to know both the advantages and disadvantages of web builder. Advantages: website builder are easy to learn and use. Most website builders are easy to learn and use, but if one wants to really master them or to make complex design, then the task gets complicated. Low price: creating a site with the help of a website builder is much cheaper than hiring a dedicated web designer. Sometimes a website builder could even be completely free. That is, there are web hosting providers who offer website builders for free as a part of web hosting plan. many website templates to choose from. The best website builders come with thousands of ready templates which can be customized as necessary. In such cases, chances are that even the most capricious client will find a template which meets the requirement. Disadvantages: not enough flexibility. Website builders come with a predefined set of templates, and when a user is looking for a special layout, color combination and other features, it is not impossible that the standard templates can't be modified to reflect this. Less control over the look and feel of the site. The standard website template can be modified but within reasonable limit. Very often there are areas which can't be changed. That is, there is a header and it can't be removed, or the menu on the left can't be deleted, etc. Such cases are rare, but they do happen. Website builders come with a contract. Sometimes website builders have binding clauses. That is, if a user wants to use the website builders, he or she must host the site with a particular web hosting provider. If the web hosting provider is expensive and unreliable, it is not possible to move the site to another provider. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.idestech.com.